Good morning, Standard 9 students. So, some more question I am going to solve it today. Next class, I will explain you how to find the amount and compound interest when it is given half yearly and quarterly. Today, simply I am going to solve some more question here, in which you have to find the compound interest and amount annually. And second type question, where the rate for different years are given different. Right? Then how will calculate? First question, principal given, principal 7500, time 2 years, and rate given, rate 8%, 10% is given. So first year rate is given 8%, second year rate is given 10%. Then we have to find the amount and compound interest. So we will use the formula, simple interest formula, not the formula of the compound interest that we will use later on. So simple interest for the first year. What means first year? The principal is 7500. Rate for the first year is given 8%. Time 1 by 100. That is 600. Interest is 600. Now A1 means amount of the first year. What is the amount of the first year? The principal of the first year plus interest of the first year. Right? That is equal to rupees 8100. This rupees 8100 become principal for the second year. Right? That's why the compound interest always compound interest always more than the simple interest, because every year amount become principal for the next year, and on that principal we are calculating the interest. So naturally, in compound interest, every year the amount will increase compared to simple interest. Now, this amount becomes principal for the second year. So SI2 means simple interest for the second year. This is the principal, 8100. Rate is given 10%. For the second year, rate is given 10%. By 1 by 100, cancel. 810 is the interest. So what is the amount? Amount for the second year, 8100 is the principal plus 810 is the interest. So this is equal to 0198. 8910 is the amount of the second year, where the rate for the different year is given different. Now we have to find the compound interest. So amount we have this much, compound interest, final amount minus initial principal. So final amount 8910, initial principal is 7500. This is our initial principal. What is the compound interest? 1410, 1410 is the compound interest, and this is the answer of this question. Another question here. Principal 15,000. Rate time 2 years. Rate 8% and 10%. And it is given what? He repaid 6,200 the first year. What do you mean by this one? Repay 6,200 in the first year. It means first year rate. Listen, what is first of all? Come to know the question. Question is given 15,000 principal, time 2 years. First year rate is 8%, second year rate is 10%. After from the first year amount, he returned 6,200 rupees. Do you follow this question? Once again, after calculating the first year amount, from this amount, he returned 6,200 rupees. After minusing 6,200 from the first year amount, what amount will left? That will be the principal for the second year. This is the meaning of this question, repay. Now, so we will find the first year interest 15,000. Rate 8% into 1 by 100. 1,200 is the interest amount of the first year. 15,000 plus 1,200. 8. Rupees 16200. Now this is the amount after first year. Now from this amount, it is given he repaid, means return 6,200 rupees. After returning 6,200, what amount is left? Amount left 15,000 minus 6,200. Sorry, this is the amount of 16,200 minus 6,200. 10,000 rupees. This much amount is left after returning 6,200 from the first year amount. The first year amount is 16,200. We returned 6,200. So how much left? 10,000 rupees. This 10,000 rupees become principal for the next year. So principal for the next year. So interest for the second year. How much principal? After returning 6,200, the principal is 10,000. So 10,000. Rate given 10% into 1 by 100 cancel. This is 1,000 rupees is the interest in the second year. So amount after second year, so 10,000 plus 1,000 rupees. This is 11,000. 11,000 is the amount for the second year. 8. From this is the amount of the second year. Now, what is the question? Is what is the amount extending after second year? This much amount is extending after second year. So this type of question is there which you have to solve. I will give you some questions as a homework from your prescribed book. You solve it. WhatsApp group I will give you. You solve this question, revise it, and half yearly question. Next class I will explain you how to calculate compound interest when it is given half yearly or quarterly. Half yearly means every 6 months we consider one. Quarterly means because in 1 year how many months? 12 months. What is the half of the 12 months? That is 6 months. So every 6 months we will consider one. quarterly means divided by 4. So total in a year there are 12 months. So 12 divided by 4 means 3. 3 month is equal to 1 quarter. That will explain you in the next class. Okay, thank you very much.